Oh, look at I see a silly face. Come on, girls. Come on, come on, come on. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
You walking away, baby, lost your tongue somewhere, don't know what to say. Stop and run around, oh, you act like a kid. I am not your mama, just admit what you did.
Welcome to another day in the life video. I'm just going to be bringing you guys along. I've already been a little productive. I recorded our morning routine, so if you guys haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. So Skylar's sitting at her desk drawing. She's watching Miss Monica right now. I love Miss Monica. I definitely recommend this for your kids. She posts videos Monday through Friday. What are you drawing, Boogie?
I'm drawing something from Miss Monica.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the sunshine, it doesn't fall away. And the empty spider, I got the other day. Her like that, guys.
Yeah, she did.
Yeah, her like laughing. Summer, look, watch this, I don't make her laugh.
You like that, Summer? So I have these matching outfits for the girls. I showed you guys these like a few vlogs back, and then me and Sean kind of like have these matching sweaters. Well, his is like Champion, mine is from Fashion Nova. They pretty much the same color. So is this too much red? I wish y'all could just tell me like right now, but y'all can't. So
It's red on the pants.
yeah, your pants to be red. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just gonna take a quick photo just cause I need a picture.
Yeah, this is on it. Oh, wait.
Do it, Summer.
This is Summer, Come on.
Do it, girl. Get your hands out your mouth. What's going on? What's going on with the baby? What's going on with the baby? Whoa, what's going on with the baby? I don't know if I told y'all, but I went to like this farmer's market and I got this watermelon. And when I tell y'all this watermelon is banging, it's like banging. I'm about to get so slanging. Like I really need to go back today and get me some more. I'm getting ready to fix some lunch. Skylar wants grilled cheese. You want what?
Grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away.
Let's read Brown Bear, what do you see? Ha, ha, ha. Okay. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a
But I see a red bird looking at
me.
Red.
Red bird, what do you see?
I see a green dog looking at me.
No, a
I
yellow
see
duck.
a yellow dog looking at me.
Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see
A
a
yellow green frog looking at me.
okay.
Green frog, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Purple cat, purple. Let's see it.
Summer girl. What are you doing?
This one.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well, let's read it. Come here, Summer, story time. Summer, it's time to read. Come listen to us read. Come on. I love you, Mommy. Summer, come join in on the fun, girl. We're done with these books, girl.
I say my love her. Now do this one. No, do this one.
Mommy's asleep. I can't read anymore.
Why?
Because I'm asleep. I'm tired. Go get the book to Daddy. Tell Daddy to read to you.
But Daddy's in the bathroom.
No, he's not. He's in the room. How did this get under there?
It's out of control, but I love the rush, yeah.
Look, Summer. Hey, 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 hey. You're gonna need to stand up. Just move it. Slide over it. That way, just move it. Summer, 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 Summer. Hey, hey. Oh, that's good. Stop. Put your hands down, babe. That would have been good. All right, Summer. 1, 2, 3. Summer, Skylar. Woo, woo. Hey. Oh, look at that.
I see that silly face. I see that silly face. I see the silly face.
Hold it. Hold it. Right here.
Don't let her move, Scott, okay?
Do not let her move. Summer.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Some. Yeah. Some. Woo!
Let me take it off and take some.
Thanks.
Oh, that's really cute.
Yeah, oh, Skylar. You gotta see these pictures, girl. Come in.
Come on, girls. Come on. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Good job. You gonna turn around and go back? You got the book? Ooh. Come on, girl. So guys, it is a little later. Y'all saw that we attempted to take some photos. I gotta look back at these photos and see how they came out, because right now I don't know. Y'all, I'm about to eat my favorite. I found one cluster of crab legs in the freezer. Just one cluster. So I'm kind of upset about this because I know this is just like a teaser. Like I could eat 10 clusters of crab legs, seriously. But here we go. And then I'm gonna cook some shrimp. So I have my shrimp right here. I have a whole video showing how I cook my seafood, so check that out if you guys are interested.
For a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. It's pretty lonely. I guess
So guys, here's my plate. Oh my gosh, I wish I had more crab, but it's all good. I got my shrimp right here that looks so good, and then my butter. I love to use like real butter, and I put some onions in there, some minced onions, some seasonings, and baby, whew, the sauce right here is gonna be, that's it right there.
know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do.
Good morning, guys. So it's the next day and I just got done cooking breakfast. So yeah, I just cooked grits, my instant grits, and sausage. And the sausage that I love is this right here. It's the Johnsonville, and I like the sweet Italian also, but this is the mild.
Somebody eat all my honey buns.
Who you think ate them?
Daddy?
Yes, he ate all your honey buns.
Guys, we gotta get some more, but we just got more.
Oh my gosh, can y'all tell that my lip is swollen? So let me tell you, we were sitting in the bed and I gave Summer my phone, like going like this with it, and it fell out of her hand and hit me in the mouth, and I'm like, it fell down with some force, with some power. I think I told y'all this early in the vlog. Anyways, I woke up and my lip is like swollen more, and it's just hurting and throbbing, and I'm like, oh. I'm trying to decide if I want to drink coffee this morning or make a smoothie.
I gave Mommy a band-aid.
Yes. Why did you give me a band-aid?
Cause it was hurting.
I cut my finger yesterday, guys. Y'all see it? My middle finger right there.
Here,
Yeah.
I get another one.
Okay, I'll get another one in a second, okay?
Okay, I get my steps and get another one.
Okay.
And then the far away, cause
Are you ready to eat?
yeah, but let me get it back.
So I also want to go back to Hobby Lobby today. Something on my camera. I want to go back to Hobby Lobby because I want to make a bowl for the Christmas tree. And I was looking up, I was all on YouTube last night looking how to flock my Christmas tree. I need y'all help. So my Christmas tree is already pre-lit, and I saw some people say like you can still flock your Christmas tree. If you don't know what that is, basically like putting the white snowy look on your Christmas tree. If y'all have ever done it with your Christmas tree, let me know, like, how did it go? Do you recommend that I do it on the pre-lit Christmas tree? But yeah, that's what I'm thinking about doing. I'm so excited. I think it's just like so exciting. Skylar's ready to put up the Christmas tree. You ready? Yeah. Like, she's ready, I'm ready, like, oh, I'm so ready. Like, this is the best time of the year, y'all. Like, it really is. So here's breakfast right here. What are you doing? Look at her, y'all. She be taking steps now. I didn't tell y'all this. Come on, I don't want you touching the trash can. It's nasty. Can you say hello? Can you say good morning? Can you say good morning?
Good morning, guys.
Say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Mwah.
I'm Skylar. How you doing?
Make-
Watch this, okay?
Okay, make her laugh again.
Let's do it again. You're laughing, guys. You're laughing, Mommy. That's hard.
Yeah, make her laugh again, Sky.
How am I doing upstairs right now?
Okay.
That's a lot for laughing.
If you ever want a quick and easy meal, these right here, the Portillo, like they have it in a family pack too, but it's like a bigger bag if you have a bigger family. But this size is really good for just like me and the girls for lunchtime. So yeah, we are getting ready to eat this. It's about 2 o'clock. It's 70 out today. It's windy, but it's 70, and we are getting ready to go for a walk after we eat.
And guys, I dropped my minion.
She dropped her minion off the balcony. Why did you do that?
Cause I forgot to get it and I pick a ball. I want to pick a lot, another one.
Okay, we'll go get it in a second. So here's what it looks like. Y'all, it's so good.
Cheers to all the haters, cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny.
That's why I love you.
Alright guys, so I just got a package and I'm really excited about this package because it's some shirts with banging, slanging on it, and I'm gonna open them up on camera so you guys can get my full first reaction. Let me put it up here because someone's about to grab it. Okay, so this is the black one and this is a extra small for me. Ooh. So it says banging, slanging. That's nice.
This is a deer on it.
Y'all gotta let me know what y'all think. Yeah.
This is a deer on it.
Deer? No. It says banging, slanging.
The white
Here's
one.
mine.
I like the white one. I like yours.
You
I like
yours?
this one. I like yours. I like Daddy.
Alright guys, so it is about 6 o'clock and we're getting ready to head to Michael's. I have to go pick up a I ordered some stuff. I'm doing a collaboration with Michael's. Woo! So yeah, I gotta go get some stuff. But the girls look so cute in their little matching, gracious, in their little matching outfits. So here's Summer's. She looks super cute. And here's Skylar's. They have their jeans on. Stand up so we can see your shoes, Sky. They're on the wrong foot. But look, the shoes are like just alike. These shirts came from Walmart. Jeans, I think your jeans are from Carter's. Summer's whole outfit's from Walmart. Except for the shoes. One of you guys actually sent these shoes for her. And I wish I knew where they came from, so I could get her some more because they're super cute. Do you like your outfit?
Yeah, I got my baby right here, my phone, because this is my phone.
Yes, her phone. And they both have their hair in like a ponytail with their little bow, their little black bows. Give me this. Give me. Thank you. Thank you.
Why didn't take
Summer. Summer. Thank you. You're sitting on it. Thank you.
What's TV?
Look at her little bun, little one ponytails. Be still, just for a second. Y'all, her earring came out. We lost one of her earrings, which is the earring that we had already lost. Cause she been rocking Mitch Mac earrings, but I had to put a little hoop over here. What are you trying to get to?
Keep up with your passion. So cool down.
These are the absolute cutest. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, and they have different sizes, guys. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. Hey. Hi. Hey. Hold on, Sky. Oh, I think I see one I like. Yeah.
Baby, look at
Nah, we don't need that. I just got this tape right here. Oh, actually, I'm gonna get that one right there for me. Get that one.
this one.
Yeah. No, this one, the purple one. Get that purple. Yeah. Oh, guys, we got some wrapping paper, and I had to get some scissors because I need some actual like gift wrapping scissors. Got some different color ribbons.
I want this. I want to hold
Skylar
it.
picked these out.
Yeah, I put these out because it's going to put these out because we're just put these out.
Tree for your room. You want that Christmas tree for your room?
Yeah.
Oh, I like this one better.
You want to get this in my room?
Yeah. You want to get one for your room?
Yeah. Hey, can we get this in my room?
You might need to get this one and bring it home. Are you excited? Skylar's getting her very first Christmas tree. Look at me, Sky. Are you excited? Let me see your happy face. So we're gonna get this white flock tree, y'all. You know I've been wanting a flock tree. I've been talking about it. So we're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. What's up, guys? So we are back home, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited that we got a new Christmas tree, y'all. It's only 4 feet, but it's like a little mini Christmas tree. I showed it to y'all, and it's a flocked Christmas tree. Just excited. I've been looking up different Christmas tree themes on Pinterest, trying to get some ideas for what I want to do with Skylar's tree. I hope you have had an amazing day. I feel like my lip looks so freaking big. I'll see you guys in my next video.